Hey guys, how you doing? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Crunchyroll Premium in 2025. So I've actually got the Crunchyroll mod right here. So when I go over to my account, you can see I am using the normal one. So you can see the free subscription. But when I go to buy it, you can see we have the dev mode option, activate dev mode, and then we can get free Crunchyroll Premium. So I'm going to press on that and let's see if it works. And as you can see, it worked. So now I got Crunchyroll Premium. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this for your device. It's super cool. So the first step is going to be going onto this website called hexmods.com. So once you're on this site, just go in the search bar and type in Crunchyroll. And you actually want to get the blue one right here. So go ahead and press on it. And then just go ahead and press the download button. And it's going to start downloading it. So remember guys, hexmods.com. So now we're just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. Now I do want to let you know that like before it downloads, there's this like verification thing you gotta do. It's pretty easy. You just gotta download 2 apps, complete the instructions. It's 100% free. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. So you can see like Travel Town says reach level 9. So you just press on it, press continue. It'll bring you the store. You download it, reach level 9. Or you could do like Merge Gardens, which is the same. Misplay. Play 4 games for 5 minutes. So yeah, there's just tons of these apps, and you just want to make sure you download 2 of them and follow the instructions. Then you will get it onto your device. And remember, hexmods.com, that's the website where you can get free Crunchyroll Premium, guys. So it's super insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is not really my wheelhouse, but I knew that I had to get this website out to the public because no one seemed to have made a video on it yet. So I want to be the first one to make a video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, so be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, hexmods.com. There's also a tutorial they have, so if you're really lost, you can watch that, which is cool. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later, and I hope you guys found out how to get free Crunchyroll Premium pretty easily.